Take a slow breath in and let it out gently. Again, breathe in slowly and release. Let your body settle. Imagine now that you are standing at the entrance of a beautiful train station tunnel. This tunnel is warm, calm, and softly lit. It is not dark or crowded. It feels safe. It feels familiar. It feels like a place designed to move things smoothly, easily, and in the right direction. As you look down the tunnel, you notice the walls. They are strong. They are becoming smoother. They are being restored with care. Every surface is learning again how to protect, how to guide, how to allow only what is useful to pass through. The walls know what to do. They remember their design. They remember their strength. With each breath, the tunnel becomes steadier. With each breath, the lining becomes calmer, stronger, and more complete. Now imagine a train entering the tunnel. It moves at the perfect speed, not too fast, not too slow, steady, confident, effortless. This train carries nourishment. It carries energy. It carries the things your body knows how to receive, sort, use, and release. The timing is natural. The signals are clear. The doors open only where they are meant to open. Everything moves in the right order. Everything moves with calm intelligence. As the train travels through the tunnel, the station lights glow softly along the walls. These lights represent repair, quiet repair, steady repair, the kind of repair that does not need force, the kind of repair that happens because the body is always listening, always learning, always moving toward balance. You may notice small crews along the tunnel wall. They are calm and skilled. They do not rush. They simply restore what needs restoring. They smooth the lining. They strengthen the barriers. They clear old residue. They reset the signals. They bring order back to the station. Everything is becoming easier. Everything is becoming clearer. Everything is becoming more coordinated. The tunnel knows how to guide the train. The train knows how to move through the tunnel. The station knows when to receive, when to sort, when to let go, and when to rest. Now imagine warm golden light filling the tunnel. This light is soothing. It tells the body you are safe. You can repair. You can digest life with ease. You can receive what nourishes you. You can let go of what you no longer need. The walls of the tunnel respond to this light. They grow calm. They grow strong. They grow beautifully sealed and resilient. The train continues forward, smooth and steady. No pushing, no forcing. Just rhythm, just trust, just proper function returning. Ahead you see the end of the tunnel. There is daylight there. A clean, open platform. Fresh air, space, ease. The train arrives exactly where it is meant to arrive. The doors open gently. Nourishment is received. Energy is delivered. The body understands. The body knows. The body is remembering its natural rhythm. Take another slow breath in and release. Silently repeat. My body knows how to repair. My body knows how to restore smooth flow. My body knows how to receive nourishment. My body knows how to protect and strengthen its lining. My body knows how to return to calm rhythm. Picture the tunnel one more time. Strong walls, clear signals, smooth movement, warm light, steady repair. The train moving forward with ease. This is your body returning to harmony. Not all at once, not through force, but steadily, intelligently, naturally, one breath at a time, one signal at a time, one smooth passage at a time. Rest now in the feeling that healing is already underway. Your body is listening, your body is learning, your body is restoring, and you are safe to heal.